In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grok 3 on Windows 11 in 5 minutes. If you're on a Windows 11 PC and want Grok to behave like a native app, this quick setup will get you there using the official browser install prompt. Start by opening your web browser on Windows 11. Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome both work great for this. Just launch whichever you prefer from your taskbar or start menu. This method uses the browser's built-in Install as App feature, so there's nothing extra to download and it stays lightweight and secure. Next, head to the official Grok website by typing grok.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Give the page a moment to load fully before moving on. You're installing the web app directly from the source, which ensures you get the latest version and a smooth experience. Now look near the browser's address bar for an install prompt. You'll usually see a small install icon that looks like a computer with a down arrow. Click that to install. If you don't see it, no worries. In Chrome, open the menu and look for Install Grok. In Microsoft Edge, open the menu, choose Apps, then install this site as an app. Quick note, I've placed the official link to grok.com right at the top of the description so you can click it directly if that's easier. When the prompt appears, confirm by clicking Install. This tells Windows to create a dedicated app window for Grok, along with a desktop shortcut so you can launch it like any other program. It will also show up in your Start menu under your installed apps. The app runs in its own window without the regular browser tabs, which keeps it focused and easy to find while you work. Once the installation completes, open Grok from the new desktop shortcut or by searching for it in the Start menu. It should launch instantly in a clean, app-like window, ready for you to use whenever you need it. If prompted, sign in with your X, formerly Twitter, credentials to access Grok 3 features. Make sure you're on the official sign-in page and use any security measures you normally rely on. After you're logged in, you'll be able to use Grok 3 directly inside the app window, just like a native desktop application. That's how you install Grok 3 on Windows 11 in about 5 minutes, using the official install prompt from the browser. The link to the site is at the very top of the description. Thanks for watching.